Hello and welcome everyone. This time I am going to show you how you can get the Linux experience on your Windows itself. Before I jump into the actual procedure, let me tell you that WSL stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux actually allows users to run a Linux terminal environment, Linux packages from Ubuntu archive and run Linux applications. So to start with, we need to enable the WSL feature on Windows 10. So let's do this. For this, we need to follow these simple steps. At first, we need to open Windows PowerShell as administrator. For this, simply click the start button and then search for PowerShell. Right click and run as administrator. To follow the next step, we need to run this text. So let's copy this text and paste it here and then hit enter. It is doing something. You will find this text in the description of this video. You can directly copy this from there. The operation is completed. As the next step, we need to restart our system. So let's do this. After rebooting the system, we need to open Microsoft Store as the fourth step. We can install any of these Linux distributions, but here I am going to install Ubuntu 18.04 LTS version. So let's open Microsoft Store. And simply click on this install button, and it has started installing this. It is going to take a few moments, so I am skipping this part. Now it is done, and launch this. Installing. And it is going to take a few minutes, so I am again skipping this part. Okay, it is now asking for username. And a password. Re-enter the password. And it is done. Now we can run Linux commands like ls or pwd, and it is working fine. Now let's try to update. Okay, then upgrade. Nice. And here we have Linux terminal on our Windows 10. If I try to reopen it, and here it is. So all good, we have Linux on our Windows system. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.